On a dusty road, devoid of grass and surrounded by barren dirt, a small bird stood over its latest catch, a slender, wriggling snake. The bird, focused and determined, had already managed to swallow most of the snake, but the creature was longer than expected. The snake's tail still dangled from the bird's beak, flicking slightly in a last, desperate attempt to escape. The bird, undeterred by the snake's struggles, worked patiently, adjusting its grip and trying to inch the snake further down its throat. It paused for a moment, lifting its head and swallowing harder, but the tail remained visible. Surrounded by the open, sun-baked landscape, the bird seemed intent on finishing the meal, a testament to the unrelenting demands of survival in the wild.